Loose lug nuts. You can watch it right down there.
So if we look here, this is the bolt that sheared off on the driver's side, and now we're on the passenger side, and you can see basically where it's all shiny right here is where the rim has been rubbing because it had enough room because we didn't torque it down enough. And if you look, now these are solid, but this one we're going to need to replace as well. And what it came down to is I was just tightening with the torque gun, and I didn't tighten it enough. Well, actually, what it was is these are Moto metal aftermarket rims, and they don't come with lugs. So these are the standard GM lug nuts, and these will not fit on the Moto metals. So I had these lying around and threw these on here, but they're not deep enough. So it actually got towards the end of the bolt, and then the gun just stopped when it felt resistance. So it never tightened down enough, and that's what caused this whole issue. And somewhere I lost my tool, but we are now using a torque wrench to make sure that in the future this is not an issue. So more of the story: if you're buying aftermarket rims, make sure you buy the right lugs for them. Don't use a torque gun on these things, and you should be fine.